how to set up your chart with the essential trading indicators on TradingView. This is especially useful whether you're a beginner trying to get the hang of technical analysis or a seasoned trader refining your strategy. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to TradingView.com. TradingView is a powerful tool for traders and investors, providing a wide variety of instruments and timeframes to analyze the markets. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to create one. But assuming you have an account already, go ahead and log in. Now, to access your chart, you'll click on the Chart option at the top of the page. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see a clean and intuitive interface loaded with features to help you visualize market trends and make informed decisions. Once you have your chart open, it's time to enhance it with indicators. Indicators are tools that analyze market data and create visual insights to guide your trading decisions. To add indicators, you'll need to look for the small FX icon at the top of your chart. This is the button labeled Indicators. Click on it and a new panel will slide out from the side, providing you access to a huge library of indicators, far more than most platforms. You might already have some indicators in mind. If not, a great place to start is with popular ones like the RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands. These indicators each offer unique insights. The RSI helps in determining market momentum, while MACD signals potential buy or sell opportunities, and Bollinger Bands indicate volatility. In the search bar of the Indicators menu, type the name of the indicator you'd like to add. Once you find it, all you have to do is click on the indicator, and it will instantly appear on your chart. You'll notice it gives you real-time data in a format that's easy to understand, usually as a separate graph beneath your price chart. Feel free to add more indicators to suit your trading style. TradingView allows you to include multiple indicators on one chart, but keep in mind that there's a limit depending on your plan. This could be 5, 10, or even 25 if you're on a more advanced plan. It's wise to avoid cluttering your chart with too many indicators, as this can make it hard to interpret the data. Instead, select a few that meet your strategy's criteria and stick with those as your foundation. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to setting up trading indicators on TradingView. By customizing your chart with the right indicators, you equip yourself with critical insights that can help you better predict market movements and enhance your trading performance. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading.